In today's video, I am going to teach you how to fix Monday.com app not working. When Monday.com is not loading, keeps spinning, or features are not responding. The goal is to quickly narrow down whether the issue is caused by your browser session, your connection, your browser itself, or your device. Let us go through a simple set of fixes in a clear order. First, try opening Monday.com in an incognito or private browsing window. This creates a fresh session that temporarily disables most extensions and ignores stored cookies and cached site data. In many cases, this instantly reveals whether the problem is coming from something saved in your regular browser profile. Open a private window, sign in, and try the same action that was failing before. If it works in incognito, the next time you use your normal window, consider clearing the site data for Monday.com and disabling extensions that interact with web pages, like ad blockers or script tools. Next, check your internet speed and connection stability. Monday.com depends on a steady connection to load boards, updates, and files. If your connection is slow or dropping, the app can appear stuck or unresponsive. If possible, move closer to your router, disconnect other high-bandwidth devices for a moment, or switch between Wi-Fi and a wired connection to compare results. Also, try reloading the page after your connection stabilizes. Now, check your browser. Make sure you are using a modern, supported browser version. An outdated browser can cause display issues, login loops, or missing buttons. Update your browser to the latest version, then fully close and reopen it. If the issue continues, try opening Monday.com in a different browser to confirm whether the problem is browser-specific. After that, restart your computer. A restart clears temporary system processes and network states that can interfere with web apps. Save any work, restart, then open your browser again, and test Monday.com once more. If none of these steps fix the issue, chat with support, share what you tried, what browser and device you are using, and what exactly happens on screen. The more specific you are, the faster the issue can be diagnosed and resolved. That covers everything you need to know.